Okay, the first one is Rocket Dock. It, it's like a dock like on Mac, and to minimize Mac's Windows, and it's as fast as if you were clicking something, on the start bar in menus or something. Okay, just minimize it to it if you want. And the way it comes is you can also close windows with it. Makes a little pooping thing. That's what it does with this too. Turn it off, poops. Go to. I use the start button menu still for searching and stuff. So I still want that there. So it comes like this when you first load, first time. So I just did edge offset up to here so I could use both of them. 33px. You can also center it, move back and forth. Screen position at top, bottom, left, and right. And after the skins or styles or stuff like that. They have very many more than I think there's a need for, but whatever. You can drag stuff to it very easily. It just shows up. You can just turn it off and it poops if you don't want it on your face. It's like a cube or a box. You've probably heard of it before, but if you haven't, you can assign hotkeys to it like this, like the numeral 0 if you hold it down. Then you can choose an alternate desktop and it loads it for you. It's pretty cool. You can also change what it looks like when it navigates. Like, here's another one. Alright, I have to click OK first. Click you're inside the cube. You can also change the background. Depending on what your processor is, you might want to pick a certain one. Then, grid. Kind of like expose in OS 10. Then, flip, which is like, kind of like Flip 3D from Vista. And then finally Wave Cube, which is pretty much the same thing as Cube, but it's, waves. Ingenious name for it. Yeah, this one is probably my favorite because I like Flip 3D, this thing. But I do not like that you have to awkwardly hold down Tab and the Windows key at the same time. It's very annoying. So there is this program called Vista Flip 3D Activator. I'll put all of these links in the description. Anyway, it allows you to change how to activate it so that you can use it as a hotspot, put it up here, and it'll activate. Or activate it for any different hotkey. Like for instance, the scroll wheel. I selected it so that the scroll wheel clicks down. It activates. Really quite cool. I like it a lot. It's a lot simpler than holding down the Windows key, pressing Tab, because that's awkward. Yeah. Okay, and finally, this isn't so much an add-on or a application. It's more of a hack to Vista Home Premium that lets you get Dream Scene, the Windows Vista Ultimate, that lets you have a video in your background. I'm sure you've seen this 400 times on YouTube. but I figured I'd show it to you anyway. Okay, so you open up C Windows System 32, and you click and hold on Control, dreamscene.dll, dreamscene.dll.mui, then themecpl.dll, then themecpl.dll.mui. You click and drag all of those into C Windows System 32. And then you run install dreamscene, the patch file, and just press any key. All this stuff will come up, and then it'll say dreamscene installation completed. So you continue, and then you run this, which is a registry patch file. I'm not going to click continue because I already have it installed. But you do it, you obviously click continue, and it'll come up, and then you have to reboot your computer. And then if you were to navigate after rebooting your computer to a movie of .mpg or .wmv, I believe. Let me see if I find one. Videos, and you were to right click, you will see that it will okay, let's try this again. Personalize Windows desktop background. Sorry. You'll see how should the picture or video be positioned. Picture or video, which would not usually be there. And then you can just browse for a video. See. Go to videos, sample videos. And then select the movie. It doesn't have to be sample videos. And then if you'll notice, my wallpaper is a video, which you are not usually able to do on Windows Vista Home Premium. But if you will notice, this is not a smart thing to do if you have too many applications running, because it can eat up your CPU. Right now it's at 99-100, and I've got 3 gigs of RAM, and I've got 1, 2, 3 things running Windows Explorer and Hypercam recording, which does take up a certain amount of them. So if you're not recording or doing any video editing, you should be good with this. But if you are going to do something kind of heavy, you may want to change your wallpaper before you do so, or else your computer may crash. It does not play the sound, obviously, but you may want to